Hey guys, how you doing? It's Terry from Smooth Workshop here. Right, okay. It's December. I've tried my best to look festive. I'm growing the Santa beard, as you might have noticed. And I've also got, oh, there's a bubble. I've got a Santa hat on. I did have a better one. I've got a black bah humbug hat because I don't really like Christmas. Since my daughter grew up and that, you know, it's great when kids are wee. So yeah, I'm trying to look festive with my Santa hat on. Yes, some pub I was in one night had a Kronenberg thing on, French beer. Sorry to offend the French viewers. It's Terry from Smooth Workshop, and yes, we're in December, and I haven't done a channel update for quite a while, as some of you may have noticed. I haven't done much at all since sort of January time. I think I did an update in July or whatever, what I was planning on doing. I've had a few health issues, which I've probably explained to you already, so kind of getting my mojo back up. Couple of reasons for doing this little video is to let you know that I'm still here, and I was thinking about doing lives again. I've done a couple of random ones, you might have noticed that. I was thinking about trying to do something on a Saturday night, but I'll be quite honest, I've been totally out of touch of what's happening on YouTube. You know, a new E-Models was always a Monday, and the International Scale Modeler one was always on a Friday. I knew that was definite. But I didn't realise that Colony's crew were doing a Saturday thing, so I don't want to step on any toes or anything, so I might not do a Saturday. But we'll see how it goes. I might just do random things when I feel like it. So yeah, where's the channel going? Right, I still don't have my modelling mojo back as yet. And as explained in my, I think possibly my last update, that I'm getting into my electricity. So I'm currently rejigging my man cave. You probably noticed a few things have moved about. Getting more of the electronic side up. Got a lot that I want to do with this man cave as far as rejigging it, so that I've got a bit more space and more bench space, so that I can have one bench for my scale model making and one for all my sort of what I call electricity. So yeah, by the way, any of you guys been watching Strictly Come Dancing? It might sound a bit sad or whatever, but I really enjoyed this series, and my favourite dancer, by the way, that wee red-haired Australian lassie Diane. If I could put her in my pocket and steal her away for the show, I would. Anyway, that's going off on a tangent. Right, so channel-wise, quite unexpectedly, even though I haven't put anything up as far as sort of content regarding making styrene models or even carrying on with my electricity series, which I am getting motivated to do. I've done bugger all, which is, yeah. But I've noticed my subscriber count going up, which is quite strange, because like I've done nothing but folk are subbing. So I thought it was about time that I actually started trying to make videos. Now, although I don't have my modelling mojo back, I thought, especially with Christmas coming up, I've got a few kits in my stash that are still available in the shops to buy, that might give either the better half, you know, there's girls and guys do the hobby, but it's generally guys, but I mean it might give your better half, whether it be male or female, some ideas of what to get you for Christmas. So I am thinking of stepping up my videos a little bit on the run up to Christmas. And I think the videos will be inbox reviews, because a lot of you guys nowadays order stuff online and you don't know what you're getting, and maybe a wee insight for me saying this is a good kit and yeah, I would definitely buy this and this is what you get in the box might help you, or might help your partner or spouse or whatever to think about, oh, get them that for Christmas. Obviously I'm sort of biased towards motorcycles and stuff, but I do have other kits. So I'm thinking about stepping up on the inbox reviews coming up to Christmas. So it may be that you might get a video a day, a couple of videos a day. I might just rattle through them all. I don't know. It depends on my mood. Those that follow me know that I didn't keep too well, so that's that side of it. Electronics wise, I've got quite a few gadgets I've bought lately, so I'm probably going to do a few little gadget reviews. Some of them might also be able be handy for people who do scale model making. I'll have a nice. I'll just pull it out. You maybe seen these things advertised on eBay, KK Moon, GearBest, Banggood, and all the rest of it. And it's a little. It's all dusty. It's a little microscope that has a little LED display that allows you to view things in more focus. That's probably one of the reviews I'm going to do. Mainly because it's related to my electronics. It might help me when I'm doing the videos to actually show you if I focus my camera at that and it's not too much flickery. We're doing close-up work. And if you're anything like me and your eyesight's failing, something like this might help you with your model making, detail painting and stuff like that. That's one kind of gadget. I've got a few different gadgets. I've also got quite a few, whether to do them in a live build or whether to do it as sort of live shows and watch along with me. I've got daft wee things like these wee Velman kits. Right, you might look at them and go, what's the point of these little kits? They're fun. Lets you practice your soldering techniques, and if you're into any sort of electronics, it might help you understand how to do things and stuff like that. So I'm not sure whether to do it as like, this is a little Velman kit, this is a review, and now I'm going to build it and do a video that way, or should I just do it live and try and do it close up? Put your comments in the section down below. So I've got a few wee Velman kits to do. Right. Electronics wise, yeah, I'm going to concentrate on that, although I'm going to really try hard to get back into my actual model making and painting and things like that. Right, another reason for doing this little update. Any of you guys that have followed me for a while know that I live alone. I don't really have any, well, I've got a brother, but we're both in a similar situation, so generally at Christmas I don't get any Christmas presents. However, I was watching Strictly actually. I got a lovely Christmas card from Germany. So it's a Frohliche Weihnachten, I hope I said that okay. Und alle guten, was it, Wünsche für das New Year, all the best wishes for the new year. And it's actually from a follower and friend of my channel on YouTube, Frank Cathower. I hope I said that right. Cathower. Anyway, he's went, hi Terry, I know it's the time of year you don't really like. Yeah, he's got that. But I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Frank. Now Frank is, he doesn't do YouTube, but he does pop on. Actually, I'll put that up. It's my second Christmas card. I actually got another Christmas card from other friends and followers. Have a very Merry Christmas. Paul and Sue. Terry, we know you're bah humbug, but here's a card anyway. Don't forget we're only a video call away anytime, my lovely. So that's from Paul and Sue. So thanks for that. So I've got 2 Christmas cards now, so that's 2 more than I normally get. I'm going to try and hide my address, but back in my youth I was a philatelist. If you don't know what that is, it basically means a stamp collector. So I've got a modern German stamp on that envelope that Frank sent me, and he's sent me his address on the back, which is handy. So whilst I was sitting watching Strictly, I got a knock at the door. There was a gentleman, a delivery guy from Amazon, and it was like this big box. It's like, I've not ordered anything. So I've taken the box away because, yeah, you don't need to see me opening an Amazon box. Everybody gets them. But I got this lovely gift-wrapped item here. And I haven't looked inside it now. I did speak to Frank and say, yes, I've got a mystery parcel and your name was on it. And he kind of gave the game away, and I says, right, I haven't actually looked at it, so I haven't looked inside the parcel yet. I says, but do you mind me doing a video and letting people know what you've got me? So there's a wee gift card on it, and it says, Merry Christmas, Terry, enjoy your gift and make something awesome from Frank, or Franky, goes to Hobbywood, who's also got a sticker up in there. So this is what Amazon gave me. It's beautifully wrapped, it's got ribbons and stuff on it. It's quite nice actually. I've never seen the gift wrapping off of Amazon, so here we go. We'll take this wrapping off, and we will go to the bench to, oh my goodness. Right, so some lovely packaging. Apologies for the beeps. So some lovely packaging, and let's get a look at this. Wow. Now I normally build bikes, but oh, I love the colour of this, and yes. So Franky sent me a Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG in 1/24 scale, and it's licensed by Daimler-Benz itself. Interesting. Kit number 07100 for anybody that's interested, and it shows a few of the other kits that do. Oh, I've got the Samba bus as well. So they call this a, oh, what's the skill level on this one? Does it tell you? A level 4 skill. That looks absolutely stunning. So thank you, Franky, for taking me out my comfort zone. Yeah, so I will at some point do an in-box review of this, although I'm not a car builder. I will show you what's in the box. That looks stunning. I hope I can do it justice. So yeah, probably my one and only Christmas present this year. But yeah, just a quick touch and base for you guys. I might do a live. It'll be random. And to be quite honest, I've lost touch with who's on. So if it appears and you have subscribed and you have clicked a little bell notification thing, you'll see when I'm on, and it's up to you whether you tune in or you watch later when you're at the bench. But yeah, I'm going to try and get back into making videos again. This has definitely caught my interest. It's a beautiful kit. Again, thank you, Frank, for being a very good friend. Same gentleman that sent me all that big food parcel and stuff for Germany last year. I've got a t-shirt as well, but I couldn't find it, unfortunately, for this video. So yeah, thank you very much for all sticking with me. I hope to get some more content out. Some of it will be model making related, some of it will just be reviews and gadget reviews. And yeah, I need to get on with the Electricity series. I have had a couple of requests on the Electricity series about things like multimeters from Mark. So it's given me more scope of what you want me to concentrate on as well. So if you're into the Electricity stuff and you're wanting more info on a specific thing, again, comment section down below, do let me know. Mark said he was interested in multimeters, how they work, what should you spend on a multimeter, what are you looking for in a multimeter, and how to use them. So I might do a little episode on that. I'm no expert, but I've used multimeters because I'm a vehicle technician for years and years and years and years. So I'll try and cover that in a separate video, and I'll put it on my Electricity side of things. As I say, I'm currently reorganising my bench. I've got my voltmeter, my power supply, there's my soldering station, I've got a desoldering station there, I've got other stuff that I need to put up. But yeah, I'm slowly, it was just that when this parcel arrived, I thought I would do a kind of combined channel update and stuff like that. I've got lots of kits still to finish. I actually had an inquiry about a commission build, and I was quite surprised because it was the same bike that, well, it was the 350 version and not the 250 of the RZ, which anybody that follows knows that I've probably spent about 3 years on, but it's on and off and various things happened in between. And he was saying that his dad has this bike and he's been searching for months, and I kind of explained the pitfalls of commission builds and how much it actually costs. So I haven't heard back from him, but yeah, I haven't quite got my mojo back for doing that yet, but I was quite flattered that somebody actually asked and approached the channel. So yeah, as always, I do have a couple of patrons still, which I'm actually quite surprised about. Patron is another way of supporting people who do like YouTube content and creator content. I have a Patreon channel. I'll put the little link down below. You can donate like $1 a month or something like that. But if you get enough patrons, it all goes together and lets you or lets me buy things to review or bits of electronic gadgets and stuff like that. I'm dying on getting myself an oscilloscope. I've been watching the crazy Australian guy Dave EEV blog. He uses an oscilloscope all the time, and it's like, oh, that's interesting. It's not a must for electronics, but it certainly helps you understand stuff. I might do a few sort of teardowns of stuff that stopped working and stuff like that, and explain it to the best of my ability. You can blame Big Clive for that one. And another one, if you're into electronics, she does a lot of the retro stuff, but she also does a lot of musical stuff. You ever heard of Fran Tone? If you're into guitars and that. Fran Labs. Crazy lassie for America, similar age to myself. I enjoy watching her stuff as well. So yeah, I'm waffling. So I'm going to close this and say, yeah, I'm still here, guys. Haven't been keeping well. I look like Santa at the moment, and my first and probably only Christmas present. Yay! So thanks, Franky. Thank you all for tuning in and listening to my absolute garbage. Anything you want to see on the channel going forward, do put a comment in the comment section down below. Please keep it constructive. I do try and reply to all messages that are put down below. And I wish you all, if I don't have a live or whatever before then, wish you all a very happy Christmas, even though I'm bah humbug. A very prosperous and happy new year. So it's me, Terry from Smooth Workshop, wishing you all the best. Take care, guys. Oh, wait, no, nah, I don't really need to go to the bench. You've seen it. I will do an unbox review of it though. Cheers, Frankie. Thanks to all my subs. Speak to you later. Bye.